Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today's session is all about the CSS special exam. So how you can take it as opportunity and how you can get most of it and instead of wasting your time. CSS special exam is a win-win solution for you all. Even if you are from Punjab, take it as an opportunity to practice as a mock paper. You will experience time management, exact reality-based exam, experience a revision of so many subjects, but do it with the with lot of practice and with lot of experience. Not something just for going and checking your knowledge. You need to race behind the time and try to complete your maximum uh, course content. For this, I would suggest try to make one pager of all your subjects, especially compulsory, because this would save you a lot of time. And apart from it, you need to do the past paper practice session, and this would help you to stand out. And in case it's like for the other provinces, it's very easy because obviously they wanted to fill the vacant position, so you will have a better opportunity and better chances of getting selection. So you need to focus on the essay paper. You need to focus on compulsory and don't make random shoots in the selection of optional subject. Try to opt exactly those subjects which you already have decided. Don't switch it just for the sake of rushing behind the time or paper targeting of the like US history or some other subject. You need to focus and try to concentrate that it is your chance to do it and make all the efforts to do instead of doing it with half heart effort. There is no half, you know, either do it or not do it. There is nothing in between. So for this sake, I have decided to share 2 months plan for the 2 months plan for PMS and CSS special. You just need to focus on it. If you're struggling with the time management and other stuff, the purpose of enhancing it so you can get the personalized experience, that how it's going to help you. First of all, try to read only editorial. One pager for the essay and current affair from newspaper, from the opinion and editorial section for the better result. It's kind of exercise of paraphrasing, right? Apart from this, you need to do one précis or comprehension or translation on daily basis. You need to make one outline on alternative days. One on the alternative days when you are not making outline, what you need to do, you can make or you can prepare material for the abstract essay particularly and try to focus on it. What else? This is all about the current affair and English part. For the other thing, like for you need to Pick one compulsory subject, one compulsory subjects, I'm sorry, one compulsory subject. For instance, let's talk about the Pakistan affairs. Obviously, there are only 60 days in total, and we are making the schedule for the roughly maximum 45 days because you have to complete your course. This way, you need to give six days for a subject, two topic, two topics each day. For a particular subject, two topics in a day is not that much difficult. In the seventh day, you have to revise the whole one pager, one pager notes, right? And one compulsory, and same goes with one optional. But for the optional subject, I would suggest 12 days instead of 6. Three topics in a day. If you still don't know how to cover it, first of all, you need to do it from the past paper, and then you need to do from the most important top 10 topics, right, of that particular subject. All right. So that's about the compulsory and optional, and it has, the other objective part. For the objective part, you need to do, for the objective part, you need to do 40 MCQs on daily basis. If you constantly All right. For the objective part, you need to do 40 MCQs on daily basis. So this is a comprehensive plan. This way, you can give equal time for lot of subject without even, for instance, you have the PMS paper and you can still cover it in 6 days and 1 day for VM. This way, you can easily complete your 3 or 4 subjects along with current affairs and for the essay part. If you still have any question, you may let me know. I think you already know the age is relaxed here. There is no any kind of problem with it's a kind of practice session. The more you will practice, the more you will get your work evaluated. Even if you are doing it just for the sake of own practice right now, just appear in a special exam. And for the MPT, I don't think so it would be much harder. You just need to focus on the already criteria. So I don't think so there is any other question. If you still have any question, you may leave it down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.